Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to use Whiteboard in Google Meet. So it is very simple. First go to Meeting Tools, then click on this plus icon and search Whiteboard right here. And choose this first one, Collaborative Whiteboard, press Install, and now installed on your account, so press Continue, wait while this loads up, and when it does, it will simply show you this window right here, and you can log into your account and click on Open Whiteboard. You can share this screen, so anyone that doesn't have this add-on installed can see it. So just press Share and then Allow. And right now click on this pencil icon and you can draw whatever you like. So it is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.